for me, I see say, you Mayor Zuba, he's not doing well. I didn't know near Kumasi, the Garden City. Ninja near Kumasi, the Garden City, and say, so call garden be a muna arrangement. Ya twa enuan ho kama efi bia ni honom nti se wo pe ba bia wo betena se na watumi a relax na ho atowa na wakọ o garden mu because tete mpanimfo hwe Babylon wo hwe Medo Persia ne mu ne eye fa ne sen ahemfo akese na se pressure e bomb so a be bia o mo relax ene eho nti even Bible mu no Emra Nebuchadnezzar eye guardian na ewosro no ema ahomaso kra ye den eba ne mu Onyankopon ka kire nso obedane den aboa enti se ye de baabi ye befre baabi the garden city no na ekire senia ehonom no esifa ye den etie se opese ohunu yi a aya check tete adan no hwe layout no layout oba Ashanti region Kumasi ukọ eye asafo ukọ tafo no mu ne ne keka ho ne nyina obehu se tete dan no at first na ya atakwame no ekwan de demu kama efi na wo no wo yese wo be yefi kra wankasangasa efe ne se ahemfo nketwa na ewo honom no de wi ebefre wa twe aso no wa kra no di amerika enti no hwe se eho be yeden ebe yefi nti emra abrofo ne baaye no mo be hwe se ne ade ne tie no no say had the garden city CCA at saying ensua first enam etne ohu se friend say insutene se ye pese ye yigu apaye ye pese ye bompaye etre nananom a sa nsuo no enana ye den ye yi apaye den e de kire wo mo CCA science wansuwa ni nyina no etesen sabi yane ena ayemuma sabi rubber eni niema ense na emfata ena ayemuma eba ne sen one thing I see ye nyina ye hunu say with regards to sanitation ewo every country mu no ekire senia nipa na ewo honom no any authority ni subanya omusifa edete ewo country nim na Kumasi as Kumasi greater Kumasi no initially the population by Ghana Statistical Service edemayen as at that time were around 800,000 in 2010 CCA yanyin abroso entitama na yenyi no so omo ye mpanimfo a no omo Kumasi especially mayors any MMDCs ni nyina no omo ehu se emra nipa abakro no mu no efin bedoso enti ye make provision emma se ne be ya ye betumi ayi efin no afri ekro no mu ana yatena ho aye hwehan ma CCA bebia abeduye no ohwe eye mayor ensem o kan ye
kra Kumasi ne Ghana yem practice mayorship or chief executive officer America for the name mayor nti obi of friends are wrong well Ghana ha ye ni mayor bebia
CCA ye kan de say ye nyina na aye gitum akamia say and metropolitan assemblies ni na no ye from mayors enti no ye nyintum ni enka ne sa o check Ashanti region ye kan ho asem ya enye se ye ni waste management system your waste management system bear enum your sika waste management your integrated composting and recycling plant ewa your the aka cleansing and sanitation service ewa your OT landfill your trash smart and so ewo Kumasi anum say the last time ye investment ewo those trashed bases no I friend sales no in 2022, there was a 2.5 million euro bond. Euros are almost the year facility no. But I come here say, we check it statistics now. Mayor Edema na, or say 2,000 tons of waste. Ena de biano Kumasi e produce. Na each ton biano e cost 83 Ghana cedis. Opa yen check it mathematics no. So share the whole Greater Kumasi. It's not Ashanti regional. You can't only Greater Kumasi. Now Greater Kumasi no. O check it 83 cedis by 2,000 tons now. It just say in a day you spend 166,000 in a day. So check no a week you spend 1,162,000 a week for just managing waste. Now we are check a year no a month. A month no amount 4,648,000 a month. Odi check a year na you spend 55,776,000 Ghana cedis. So we check here more than $5 million a year. $5 million a year waste management in Kwao. Na say yes idea we are still ano obeko krom senia no pay ye twae efi enya no Kwao be bia yemfa no say ye gyae nan be bia adwonso e ho no nyina ban de nyina ay tan menyi otwe ado be bia obeko bia no sana ade na ye na $5 million I spend a year for just waste management. Yentimi manage your friend is saying you asset now who spend $5 million won't me manage Emma oko Kumasi baby abi urabia rubber at the bonting if just say enyama bebre wo hwa won't me nka ho asem now there mami ye no mfro no e de na mayor eka mayor say we hear 6 million euros na odi aye another sell send be ya obetimi manage eye efino ne e wo honom no kra no went me manage ne ye then e kire say se wo san ye we a ye betimi manage ne ye for me I see say eye yura mayor Zuba he's not doing well because otie a press conference now na instead of thinking about all these things no you are not thinking about 1,500 seater theater and no na wo dwen say only man penny kokasa e kokasa ye no enu mom na wo kan say onye yi na pediatric theater
and mama fa we nkan wo do Lancaster wa after that na nka wo beko baby a o masidan kese bi park ketewa bi wo ho eze anu na any priority a wo de be park
if we are
some space no na ho kran here seni akas ho kire omo
efi adokro Greater Kumasi sabi unya hwe ema papa ene wase a unya den mo ne kro no efia timi aye fia ma yewura statue a what the medal of Ashanti a symbol of Ashanti because so bia ba no bedu KJT a eno ene di dance say o Ashanti mem hwe senia ade na ye rubber efi kan nti e chese the entire Ashanti region Kumasi ya hinkro no efi a friend is a center enye ena so bi eba Kumasi so ba bedidwa West African a friend is a marketer esono so bi ba na so ba bedidwa wo ma ye nyina ya we wo check statistics almost 50,000 people na eko eye KJT a nesen pie every day nti sa nipa ni nyina no e de sa dance we ena eko adena wo se ye sa Adentina, I was say Ashanti region, the garden city, and ne, yeka say, it's a do, sa, baby, a do. A yadia enye. Yebesre, mayor, any tax force, and aye, any sika, ubeji, now what do you be near ma? Now the akko, Ibua Koboni don't come. Sani emano, enye no near the church of mine.
Okay.
Enya dia ebeboa man no yemfa yen ani emra from na waste say ye friend say nwura we a ye kan wasem say ye baabi a ye dwonso baabi a ye gya ye nan sane ema no yenhwe na honenie emra eye Ashanti memu hanum say
meda si Emmanuel Botwe Senior lecturer USTED na ye tin nka no wo hwa ma